back to cooking with TayTay, y'all. Try with TayTay. Welcome back to my channel. So at first, all the food and stuff, the vegetables were like this. But of course, y'all know, I always say I'm like the worst YouTuber ever because I just start doing things and don't record. But I am making some curry fish. Don't know how it's gonna come out, but we'll see, with a nice salad. Yes, the red snapper. I'm just going to let it saute in here. But the sauce and the vegetables are cooked. I am going to turn the heat down and let it simmer. And I'm going to put it over some noodles. I'm going to boil some noodles and put it over some noodles. Hey fam, got my all right, so these vegetables, sorry guys, I do not have my microphone and I do not want to go upstairs and get it, so I apologize, but this is just going to be a quick video because I am getting my greens together that I got from bag. So I took some of the kale off already. I rinsed it with some water. But once I take them apart and have them released from the stem, then I'm going to put some vinegar and stuff on it just to clean it. I don't know, y'all, put vinegar on everything. It's like the Frank's hot sauce. Put that ish on everything. So this is the winter cress. I could eat this like on a salad. When I eat a salad in America, I use baby spinach. Yeah, I use baby spinach. Brother, naka goodie be? I'm gonna let you live because I don't want to mess my hands up. I don't know how I should cook this, fam. I don't know if I should boil it, if I should saute it with onions and garlic and seasoning. I know with the kale, if I saute it, sometimes it doesn't come out as cooked as I want. It's a little bit too crunchy, but we're gonna see. I am not cooking this tonight. I'm just preparing it and gonna clean it, and that's it. It will go in the refrigerator. I will cook it tomorrow. right, it's clean and rinsed. I packed it all up in a pot, and it is going in the refrigerator until tomorrow when I decide how I'm going to cook it.